Hi, I'm Sander, CEO at Unless.com. On the internet, the attention span of people is very short. So, if your website visitors don't understand your story at first sight, they will bounce. You will lose them. They will not buy your service and they will not become customers. And you're not alone. Nearly all online businesses suffer from dramatically low conversion rates and very high acquisition costs because on average, only 2 out of 100 of website visitors turn into customers. That means that the internet is super inefficient. But there's a way to fix it. Face-to-face, human sales reps convert way more people into customers than your website does. But how? Because they're human, salespeople can adapt their pitch to their prospects. Basically, they change their story depending on their audience. So, you should phrase your story using words, pictures, examples, and testimonials that each website visitor knows well. And he or she will spend more time on your website, understand your sales pitch, and maybe even buy your product. But every website visitor is different. So how do you adapt your website to each unique visitor? That's where we come in. Unless provides a personalization service for websites. Our service lets your existing website dynamically adapt itself to its visitors, like a human would. The result, a much longer attention span leading to a much better conversion rate. Our newly released artificial intelligence-based personalization technology can lift your revenue and engagement by 10 to 15%. And it works on every existing website, including yours. Our service sits on top of whichever content management system or backend server that your site is using and is activated using only one line of code. But how does it work? Based on your business objective, we use machine learning to automatically segment and predict your most successful audiences. For each of those audiences, little pieces of your website content can be adapted to match their background, their interests, and behavior. Because each website visitor will fit into multiple of those audiences at the same time, Unless offers each of them an entirely personal user experience. So, if you want to turn more of your website visitors into customers, please come to Unless.com and make your website as effective as a human.